Let's talk a little bit about your training. You trained with the Hypnosis Center, right?
Yes.
With me, matter of
Yes,
fact.
yeah, it was a great experience.
What benefits did you get from that training? How would you say that training related to making you as successful as you are now in handling students, your schoolwork, your own self?
Well, I could just say from my experiences that my colleagues that I've dealt with that have trained in hypnosis, trained in a book format. These are the tools, this is what you do, but never really had the active skills that you showed me. Within our training, gosh, I could say hundreds of times I was able to hypnotize somebody. So it wasn't even theory, it was practice. And you had some other colleagues help us out, giving us coaching tips as you're going along. So the first time I had to independently hypnotize somebody, it wasn't anything far off the beaten path. It was like taking a breath of air in, not a problem at all. I knew the indications. And sure, is there a learning curve? Absolutely. But my learning curve was real short because I was able to do that over and over and over again. And over the years, we've been in contact, and having you as a consult, geez, you couldn't ask for anything more.
It was a pretty experiential class.
Even had the one guy during our class quit smoking.
Yep.
And that was from one of the guys in the class, hypnotized one of the people that came in, and that's a testimonial right there. That within within the sessions that we did, a person was able to help somebody quit smoking. That's phenomenal.